Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I'm hitting y'all with is just another unboxing. I mean, I didn't really know what to title this video. I'm sure there'll be something I get into, but really just some pairs I've been buying recently, some stuff that has landed, and maybe some things you guys should look into. Is good pairs to buy right now since there isn't a lot going on, but there's a lot on the way. So if you just want to save your money, get your money right before all these July drops start to load up, not a bad idea. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to check me out, subscribe, and like down below. And of course, my friend and I's group, HYPELABS, you guys can check us out down below, get access to our under market deals. Since don't forget, all of these right here were for members. You guys can see some Lobsters SBs, St. Patrick's Days. I mean, some of the stuff that was in the thumbnail, all of those were under market for members. And of course, our in-store monitors, free food coats, and so much more we provide. So don't miss out. You guys can see everything offered below, and I hope to see you guys on that wait list. Don't miss out. And you can check our socials down below as well. So get access today and start cooking more with us. We can teach you how to buy also anything that you're really interested in, sourcing more pairs. So see you guys there, and let's get started on this unboxing. So really getting started, I kind of want to hit y'all with the vlog style of video right here. So what we got going on, you guys can see we got some dunks, also some Yeezy slides. Again, we raffled these off to members under market as always. It was like $10 per spot, so someone won these for like 10 bucks. But really one of the first pairs I want to get into, recently bought, again, the pure platinum dunk lows. These have been, you know, sometimes floating around at outlets, but it's not really one of those ones you're seeing like all the time. But I do remember getting a pair of these in my size at a Nike outlet, 10% off. I paid $141. Was pretty happy about that, but pretty cool dunk low. Pretty simple though. At the end of the day, it's just another gray pair, so nothing too crazy about it, but these look really, really nice in hand. So that's why I'd cop these, is because it's an amazing personal. And also, we got the St. Patrick's Day SB Dunk Low. This is another great pair as well, year round, because these aren't restocking or anything. And, you know, as we hit, you know, St. Patty's Day each year, these will do their little rise. You know, people want them for the March month. I mean, that's pretty much what we can say about these. But also, the green colorway on these is beautiful. I'm a big fan of this one. So that's a reason kind of why I copped these. And, you know, again, members were getting these at under market price, because I know somebody would want these down the line, or maybe even now, because they could sell them to somebody. You know, it's a good personal or local sale. So we got the St. Patrick's Day SB Dunk Low, another great pair. OG all, loving the details on this one, especially the swoosh, how that hits with the suede, and also that embroidery right there of you know, the 4-leaf clover. It's well done. So big fan of these. And another one we got right here is the Lobster SB Dunk Low. Y'all know about the orange lobsters. This isn't like the special box pair or anything. It's the regular box one, but you guys can see the details back there. Of course, a lot of people are a fan of the insole and the design we got right there on the inside. You know, also on the inside of the tongue tag. And of course, the normal SBs, not like the Deacon ones. He's got the normal fat tongue and padding back here by the heel. The Deacons, it's like cut. It's like there's no padding or anything back here. So that's kind of one reason I know why people aren't fans of those. But you know, this is a classic one that's going to go up over time. You know, you can go look at any of the other lobster prices. These will follow eventually. Just gotta, again, give them time. There's a lot of them out there right now, so they're not going to be rising. But again, another one I want to mention, orange lobsters. Big fan of this pair, and y'all know this is a good hold over time. But also for members, we've been dropping these daily because we know people love them, so we're going to get more. But let me know what y'all are thinking about the orange lobsters. Would you hold these? Would you sell them? Let me know. Or would you rock them for the personal? Honestly, I'd tow, but there's a couple other ones in here, like this one right here, which I'd probably tow over them. And I actually got a personal pair right here. I'm going to show you all in a second that I did cop, just, you know, kind of complete a set that I'm going to be talking about that, you know, I've been working on in my collection. But the gray gums, another great personal. This would be an awesome one that would look, you know, kind of beat up or skated. This would, you know, be a pretty cool pair to, you know, kind of see on the more beat up side. But that gray suede hits so nice. This is the main reason I like this, because, you know, you see a lot of gray sneakers nowadays, but they aren't necessarily suede, and this one is. But, you know, they've been restocking a lot lately, so it's not one that I'm like going too crazy, you know, about holding right now. But I can say this one thing: once these stop restocking, which will probably be later this year, I can say they will be a good bet over time, because you know people are a fan of that gray suede. But there's, you know, a higher amount of them out there right now, so it's not one that I'm looking at as like, oh yeah, hold these like crazy. But buy a couple, maybe forget about them. Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's a clean, easy go-to pair. That's one thing I like about them. You know, it's a great SB dunk. So there we go. Got the gray gums. Don't sleep. Great personal pair. Personally a sleeper, but prices wouldn't say they're a sleeper, you know? The prices are fair right now. And another one we got right here. This is the one I was talking about as a personal pair to complete a set of a collection. This is the Pineapple SB Dunk High. I'm a fan of these. Again, you guys can see some of the unique details that are on the tongue tag. You guys can see it says Nike SB, but then on the inside, you guys can see why they call them the pineapple SB Dunk Highs. You can see it kind of looks like one, with again what the suede is looking like, the swoosh design. Also, again, that not canvas material, I believe. You can see how that is looking over this sneaker, and then comparing that, with this back heel tab, it does look like a pineapple. And also, you guys can see that right there on the insole. So, that's what the sneaker is like intended to look like, is kind of resembling that. Maybe y'all can see it, but this is completing the fruit pack SB, basically the SB fruit pack, because you guys remember this includes some of the pairs like the green apples. I still have to get the blue raspberries and cherry SB. Some are very, very attainable. Actually, both of those pairs are, because they aren't going too insane on the market right now. But another one, these ones are actually sitting, I think, like below retail right now. So it's not one that's like super crazy, impossible to get. But another one, again, just to complete that set, cool little personal. Pineapple SB Dunk High, why not? Another one I want to get into with you guys is the Cherry SB Dunk Low. Ran these for $135 for somebody, so pretty much retail plus ship, and somebody was able to get this pair right here. And this is one of the ones I again have to get. It will help complete the set. The red pair, the green one, the blue one, and then also these Dunk Highs right here that I showed y'all. These are part of the same set. It's a Dunk High and Dunk Low, but you guys can see very, very similar design. So they're part of the exact same thing. That's pretty much what they got going on, but thought I would show you all these because, again, both dope pairs, and I'm a big fan of this pack. So definitely thought members would be too, and they were. So this is just a cool one to have. I mean, it doesn't look, it's not the best one, but it's definitely that suede. It's very nice in person. Hopefully y'all can see some of the details I'm mentioning. And also, decent hold over time. They're definitely at their low point right now, and these aren't going to be restocking, so there you go. Also got this pair right here. Y'all already know what they are. Midnight Navy Jordan 4. Been running these for $245 per in the group. Great price. And this is just kind of like, it's another great personal pair. It, kind of hits, I mean, they aren't too crazy in hand, but that navy colorway, it's like one of those ones where you're like, if these look kind of creased and beat up, it'd actually be a really cool one to have. And that sole's actually pretty nice with it as well. The gray and blue I mean, I personally would have rocked with these a little bit more if it was just, the navy and blue. But the gray touch, kind of that cement theme on this pair, it doesn't ruin it per se. And the box is another nice touch in them. So yeah, Midnight Navies, cool pair, fan of them. We'll go up slowly over time, but it's not like, I mean, more of like, kind of like a pair you'd get to toe right now. They aren't going to be going crazy, but slowly going up. Prices are actually really good on Go. And finally, y'all know I got plenty of these, the Azure slides. One of my favorite holds you can make right now. Y'all can see got plenty of those, some of the Onyx as well. Just one that I definitely think is a good play along with any of the foam runners right now. So definitely be looking at these ones because slowly over time, again, as they continue to age, less of them are out there. These will become better consignment plays, but also ones you'll just be able to sell very easily. You can sell them very easily right now locally, if you're in a bigger city, 100%. But just one of those ones where if you give them time, even on apps, they'll start to slowly go up. StockX, they're bricked right now, but like on Go, places like that, you'll start to see them go up. So another one right there, great play. Give it time. I've been holding on to those ones, and you guys can see some of the pairs we've recently getting in. A lot of SB. That's really what's popular right now is SB. So you can see I got a personal as well, and then some of the other ones that we've just been kind of sourcing, on the daily. And these ones also been dropping these every day in the group because folks love these. But what have you been buying and sourcing recently? Let me know in the comments. I'm very interested to hear because I always want to know what you guys are buying. I'm always showing what I'm buying, but what are you guys buying? Let me know. And if you want more content like this, again, just kind of going into like unboxing pairs, sourcing pairs, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Again, we can do more videos like this if that's what y'all want. Let's try and hit 200 likes on this video. It's a goal. Again, let's try and hit it. And don't forget to check us out down below at HYPELABS if you want to get access to our undermarket deals that we're running for members on a daily basis. Start copping more of these pairs with us, learning how to source more of them. Then yeah, check us out because this is what we do for you guys. So don't miss out. Hope to see y'all on that wait list down below, and you'll get access within 24 hours. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these and what have you been buying. So see you guys in the next video. Should be tomorrow, but catch you then. Peace.